read the first one. I use art as a tool of speaking university, as I try to connect everyone's spirit into one huge entity in order for us to truly appreciate and love one another's craft.
The title of mine is Limbo. She is stuck in a particular place in life. She feels like she is suffocating. She doesn't know how to cope with life, and she doesn't want to know. She is not a people pleaser even for herself. She can't pinpoint how she feels, so her negative thoughts drown her.
I guess I'd best describe my experience as different. I haven't done anything like this before, so it sort of feels like a breath of fresh air. Yeah, thank you.
Is it that the way that they learn that is different? It's different because the system is archaic. The system is out of date. So they need to learn differently because they need to be fresh and need to be something new. So if you look at the pledge is the program.
It's getting into them, and it's such a positive thing to say that you're going to unlock your own creativity, because it gives you the power to say that you have a little genius inside of you, a little creative spark that exists within you, within everyone, and you have to be the person to invite creativity.
So far, the experience at the camp is being well for me. Like, I really was able to express myself and bring out who I really am inside. And I think that it really goes into details, and it really helps us express our art as like individuals, and it really speaks to us socially as well. So we can really talk to other people and see what they do too.
Why do we have to work so hard to search for what they are if I'm satisfied with the piece? Well, I know that even if they are investing in me, can they just accept the fact that I don't know, and let's not know together, and let the rest of the audience decide to say, hey, work this out?
I want to figure out if the at-risk, the learning differences kids are the true geniuses, and it's us who need to catch up to them. That's what I want to figure out.
I pledge to be open to the process.